Only 5% of YouTubers know the secret of how to upload a video according to the principles that the YouTube community set. And videos with these principles become 100% viral and build a big channel in less than a few months. Now you have seen that a channel with a very small number of videos has received extremely triple view and they have a big channel. But there are some other channels that with a large number of videos have not been able to receive such videos for 6 months. I researched different channels, how some channels have an upward trend from the very beginning and their video become viral. I find uploading principle to be the biggest reason for these issues. After reviewing more than 50 viral videos, I discovered all the principle of uploading a video correctly. In this video, we will know these principles have a total of 5 basic items, which are viral titles, super attractive thumbnails, description that have keyword, popular tag, and the basic time of the video. If we go and explain the last channel, the base channels of our channel topic, we will find that these big channels have observed these things in the best possible way. Well, let's explain these things one by one. Title. The title we choose for a video is the recommendation point of a video. We must write the title in such a way that an audience reading this title of the video will feel serious or surprised or feel emotion that will make them click on the video and watch the video every time. If your video fits someone and gets clicked, YouTube receives this signal that this video is attractive and suggests it to more and more people. And in this way, your video will go viral to have 8 items, to have an attractive edit so that it's not boring for the viewer. Thumbnail. The first part of a YouTube video that an audience sees is the video thumbnail. If the thumbnail of the video is attractive, the audience will see the title, and if it's attractive enough, the audience will click on video to watch the video. They aren't attractive, and if they just edit their thumbnails more attractive, their viewers will double at least. Here, I'm not going to tell you how to make a basic thumbnail. To know how to edit a basic thumbnail, go to the channel and see the hidden secrets of a viral video. Description. The third important principle of writing a basic description is that this description should be a complete and attractive description of your video, what the audience is supposed to see and feel in this video, and also in this description the keywords of subjects should be included. For example, if the video is about money, use words such as money, income, capital, money making, and other words several times, and also use the keyword of this topic of the channel so that the YouTube algorithm now to show your video to the target audience to give. Tag. Keywords that are about the topic of your video or topic of your channel, which can be used to define your channel or your video, or call it tag. Always try to use the popular tag of your topic and fill all the characters in the single section. To show how to find popular tags, you can use sites like Keyword Tool or Google Trends or Repeat Tag, and also try to use this popular hashtag in the description, but try not to add more than 7 to 8. Video time. Video time doesn't have a direct rule in the video become viral, but if your video time is the same as the time video of the big channel of your topic, and you have also implemented the provided 4 things correctly, the YouTube algorithm will match your video to the audience of these big channels. Now your video has gone viral and you get a lot of view, and after this video your video will always be adapted the people who show interested in your video. Go and check some of the big channels in your field and activity and see how many minutes their video are and make a video for the same time. Well, if you follow all these things, then just repeat and repeat in every video, and after 10 to 12 videos you will see its wonderful effect. If you have any question, please ask it in the comment. Bye.